But this week's video was going to be about an update to what, girls?
The dog pee!
Yes. My most popular video on YouTube is how to get rid of the smell of dog pee. And if you can hear in the background, my dogs are even fighting right now, waiting to be on camera. They just can't wait. And we're gonna talk about dog pee. And the thing is that I needed to update this. There was a bunch of comments in the comment section, most of them very positive, that gave me some other tips that I wanted to share with you about the little method that I use. If you haven't seen that video, you can go ahead and click it. Oh, up here, up here. Since the last video, you saw Static at the end of the video, and he's since passed. If you'd like to watch that video about him and his great life, you can click over here. All right, so let's go in the comment section, and I'm gonna show you the tips that commenters actually made to us about my dog pee video and how to get the smell of dog pee when you're out of your home, when you're selling your home. By the way, one of the commenters asked if it works for cat pee. It does not work for cat pee. I don't know what gets the smell of cat pee out. My trick does not work for
cat pee.
Sorry. So some of the commenters made some really great suggestions, and one of them Aubrey's gonna read now. So tell us about it, Aubrey.
Our first comment comes from Sharon K, and she says, I would use a shop vacuum. I can only imagine the smell buildup in a home vacuum. Supposed to be a plastic shop vacuum that can be scrubbed out. I wouldn't want my house vacuum motor to blow out old built-up pet urine odors. Just food for thought. This is by far the best DIY.
Okay, so with that being said, she's right. I didn't even think about that. And when you're actually sucking up the that mixture that has dried, it's completely dry. I thought about that with an older vacuum I had, and that thing always, like as soon as you turned it on, it was like, ugh. But if you do have a shop vac, that would be the best way to do it. It's just a shop vac. You know, I have one in the garage, and they do work good, and I thought it was a great comment, so thank you, Sharon. I appreciate it.
This next one comes from Stephanie Corso.
Stephanie Ocorso.
Okay, she says, can you use this on the couch?
You can use this on the couch. It is one of those things that you can do on the couch. I've done it with our previous couch. Since then, I've trained my dogs that they can no longer jump on the couch, but it does work on couches.
Tiffany L says, what about if you need to clean the whole rug?
Okay, so here it is with the whole rug. We have a large rug that Daisy still ends up peeing on quite often.
Dom pees on my rug in my bathroom, not Daisy. Daisy's too good for that.
Anyways, besides that, but yes, you can clean it. So what you do is pretty much the same thing. What you do is you pull out the rug, you pour the white vinegar onto the pet stained area if it's dry. If it's not dry, of course, try to lift up as much pee, urine as you can with an old rag. Pour the white vinegar over the pet stain, put it in the washing machine like we do, and you can actually pour some more white vinegar in the washing machine like I do. And then when it's about halfway through, you can put the baking soda in there. And then it really smells good because you can put the fabric softener in there, and then you never can smell the dog pee, which is really, it's a great little thing, great little trick.
Okay, this next comment comes from Stephanie Dixon. They said, how long should I let the baking soda sit on the carpet?
All right, you let the baking soda sit until it completely dries. It will make a crust, like a hard, it actually looks like a yellow crust. And once it's really crunchy, that's when you vacuum it up. And again, with a shop vac, not with a regular vacuum cleaner like the girl said before. That was a great idea.
Okay, this next question comes from Lorena Bali. She says, hello, thank you so much for making this video. My question is, what type or kind of vinegar is it that you use? Is it cleaning vinegar, all-purpose cleaner, or distilled white vinegar used for salads? Sorry for the silly question.
Not a silly question. It's just regular white vinegar. It isn't the distilled kind for salads. It's like the cheapest one. We get the one in the big, because we have accents and a lot here, but we have the big white vinegar.
This next one comes from Rise of Muscle. They said, so do you think a rug doctor would be beneficial at any point during this process?
Okay, so if you have the carpet where it's stained, like it actually has discolored, and even though the smell is gone, I would suggest going ahead and getting a rug doctor to come out. I know that there's professional rug companies that take care of pet odors and pet stains. If this doesn't work for you, go ahead and call one of them that specializes in this. There's been actually a commenter in that comment section that made a point about he said that nothing will work on pet odor. But I know for a fact in my house it does work. So, but he has a product on his site that supposedly gets rid of the smell. I bet it's very similar to the vinegar baking. So I don't know, but he has a solution. So if you want to like investigate that, you can go through the comment section and see what his channel's about how to get rid of pet odors.
Tea.
That's all.
Tea, sis. That's all the questions.
That was the update to my most popular video on YouTube. My claim to fame is dog pee. Who knew? It was all about dog pee and how dog pee relates to settling your home and if there was a smell and there were complaints. It is the one that made my YouTube fame, I guess. my small YouTube fame. All the same, I'm glad people have been enjoying it and they continue to watching it. And I hope you continue to watch it as well. If you want some more information about buying and selling your home here in Ascension Parish, you can always go to my website at yourrealestatewhisperer.com. If you'd like to know more about buying homes specifically here in Ascension Parish, you can download a free copy of my ebook. The link will be in description. My name is Kristina Smallhorn. With Aubrey and Sydney Smallhorn, we tell you all this
Because you matter. What videos would you like to see from Daisy next? Let us know in the comments section. If you want to see Daisy's famous dog pee video, click over here. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell.